Amending your answer, or does it have to be perfect when you're sued for debt? Brought to you by Kenneth Chabert at yourlegallegup.com. Your advantage if you're being sued by debt collectors. Being sued for debt is a terrifying experience. Being sued for anything is. Oliver Wendell Holmes said that being sued was, next to death, the thing worst to be feared, or most to be feared. And he should know, he was on the Supreme Court. It is especially bad, though, for people being sued for debt. They are already suffering bad economic times, usually already made much worse by the company that's now suing them. And there's usually a date given for a court appearance that's just a few days away from the time they get served. So how's someone without a lot of money going to get a lawyer or figure things out fast enough to get ready for court in just a few days? Well, it's bad, but it isn't that bad. You can amend your answer to get it right. Filing the answer itself is, as I have pointed out many times, a pretty simple thing. You can do it yourself following a few basic instructions. See my video answering the petition. It isn't so hard. And it's okay if you don't get it perfect. You can file an amended answer later if you figure out some more things that you need to say. The petition is supposed to give you a pretty good idea of what the company is suing you for. In most states have to say exactly, and in all states, the petition should at least put you on notice for which debt is being pursued. But the legal process certainly does not expect that you will know everything you need to know right off the bat. Instead, you will do what is called discovery, which is a process for finding out what, if anything, the debt collector can prove, which is often nothing. You can find out what documents they have, if any, and they often have none at all. You can also figure out whether they've lied to you or done any other dirty tricks to you, as they very often have. And after a certain amount of discovery, you can amend your answer to make better responses and add counterclaims. The key to everything, though, is to deny the allegations in the petition at first. Then you can conduct discovery and find out what they've got. If you do deny the allegations in the petition and begin the process of defending yourself, you will have months to do what you need to do. That means it will be many months before they can, even in the worst case, start garnishing your wages or seizing your bank accounts. Months for you to figure out things, mount a counterattack, negotiate with them, all of that. So take your time and be a little bit methodical. When it comes to filing an amended answer, you do that by motion, which is the legalistic way of saying request. You ask the court for permission to file an amended answer, and you say why you need to, and you just attach your answer to that. I learn new things, want to be more accurate, have had time to find things out, discovered some things in discovery. These are frequently the reasons people give. Obviously, not rocket science. It isn't a big deal. The court is required to exercise its discretion liberally to permit people to defend themselves. It's really just basic fairness. So you simply file a new answer to everything, and it replaces the old one lock, stock, and barrel. Remember, the crucial thing is to respond to the petition in the first place. If you deny owing the money then, you'll probably have plenty of time to think about it later. Then you can actually map out a strategy and plan your defense. So as urgent as the response is and seems to be, it doesn't have to be perfect. If it denies owing the money, you will have plenty of time to get it right later. You may not consider this video or anything I say in this or any video as legal advice. I cannot give you legal advice, but I do know the legal process and debt law very well, so use what I say as a source of information and apply your own judgment to your case. To get more help on fighting debt collectors and their lawsuits, go to yourlegallegup.com. Get my litigation manual and forms, and defend yourself from the debt collectors.